In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Google Docs. Bullet points are perfect for keeping ideas organized and easy to scan, whether you're outlining a report, creating a to-do list, or summarizing meeting notes. Let's walk through the simplest, most reliable ways to create and customize them. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the bullet list to begin. This could be on a new blank line or at the start of an existing paragraph if you'd like that text to become the first bullet. Positioning the cursor first helps Google Docs know where to apply the list formatting so your document stays neat. Next, look toward the top of your screen for the toolbar, just beneath the main menu. Find the bulleted list icon. It typically looks like three small dots with lines next to them. Click it once, and your cursor's line instantly becomes a bulleted item, ready for you to type. Every time you press Enter, Google Docs automatically creates the next bullet for you, so you can keep adding points without any extra clicks. If you accidentally turn bullets on where you didn't intend to, clicking the same icon again will toggle the bullets off on that line. If you want a different look, open the menu of bullet styles by selecting the small arrow next to the bulleted list icon. You'll see a range of styles, such as hollow circles and squares, along with additional options. Choose the style that best matches your document's tone or design. If you're aiming for a more customized appearance, look for the option that opens broader symbol choices, where you can pick from a larger collection of characters and icons. This is handy when you want your bullets to stand out or match branding guidelines. You can also create and toggle bullets using the keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+8. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+8. This shortcut is a quick way to start a bullet list without reaching for the mouse, and it works the same way to turn bullets off on the current line. It's especially useful when you're writing fast and want to maintain your flow. That's it. Place your cursor, click the bulleted list icon, refine the style from the arrow menu if you like, or use the keyboard shortcut for speed. With these simple techniques, your documents will be clearer, cleaner, and easier to read.